Disasters can strike at any time. Knowing how to navigate the insurance claims process can save you time and money. Follow these 6 steps after you've had damage to your home or personal property. Step 1. Safe and sound. After a disaster hits, make sure you and your family are safe and then secure your belongings. Do what you can to secure any property that is still inside and to prevent damage. For example, if windows are broken, board them up. If the roof has a hole, cover it with a tarp to prevent water damage. Step 2. Report a claim. Once you've determined your home is damaged and needs to be repaired or rebuilt, you need to report or file a claim as soon as possible. The easiest way to report a claim is to call your insurance company or your agent. You may be able to report or file a claim online, or some insurance companies have apps that can be used from your cell phone. If you have trouble finding a phone number, try searching for your insurance company online. If you have minor damage and are unsure if the amount of the damage exceeds the amount of your deductible, it may be a good idea to get a bid from a contractor or a repairman before filing a claim. Claims reported, regardless of the payout amount, will be a part of your loss history. Step 3. Estimate damage. An adjuster will determine how much damage was done to your home and your property. If any of your personal property, or sometimes referred to as contents, is damaged, the adjuster will ask you for a home inventory list, which is basically just a list of your personal property. The adjuster will visit your home to inspect and estimate the damages. In our post-disaster claims guide, you can learn about the different types of adjusters who may work on your claim and what you should do to prepare to meet the insurance adjuster. Step 4. Determine coverage. Once the adjuster has figured out how much it will cost to rebuild, repair, or replace your home or property, the adjuster will review your policy to calculate how much the insurance company will pay. If you've never filed a claim before, this process can seem overwhelming, but you can read this section to learn how claim payments are calculated and how your coverage will impact what your insurance company pays. You can also learn what some of the words used by insurance companies mean. Step 5. Rebuild, repair, and replace. Your recovery from a disaster is not complete until you are able to live in your home. During the recovery phase, you'll be replacing personal items which may have been damaged, choosing building materials, and working with contractors. Explore this section to find tips about working with contractors and how to avoid becoming a victim of fraud. Step 6. Prepare. While you're going through this recovery process, it's the best time to start preparing for the next disaster or claim. Create or update your home inventory list as you're replacing your belongings. As you're rebuilding, you should consider using building materials that will resist damage, such as impact-resistant shingles and/or siding. These types of materials could qualify you for additional discounts and will hopefully lessen the amount of future damage that may incur due to another disaster. Insurance companies do not typically provide coverage for betterment, so you will want to read your policy or speak to your agent to verify any out-of-pocket costs you may incur for upgrading your property. In addition to these steps, get more tips and tools to navigate the insurance claims process by viewing our post-disaster claims guide at insurance.mo.gov.